Do you want to get paid to speak? Do you dream of being on the platform, feeling at one with the audience and feeling that raving applause as they stand up to cheer you? You walk off stage and the event planner slides you a check. Man, how cool to get paid to do what you love. Whether you're a consultant, author, or dream of being a professional speaker, what are you waiting for? Maybe you get a few paid speeches, but do you want more and at a higher fee? Hi, I'm Darren LaCroix. In the 1990s, I struggled trying to figure it out on my own. I was doing everything I thought I should do. It was frustrating, and I wasted a lot of time. And it wasn't until I met my marketing mentors, the people who gave me the insights I needed to do the right things, to get my message in front of the people who could actually hire me and pay me, that everything changed. Now I get to speak around the world. I get to do what I love to do for a living. In fact, I joined forces with my marketing mentor. His name is Saeks. Ford is amazing. Join us for this 59-minute free training. If you don't know Ford, maybe you've heard of Patricia Fripp. She says Ford is an expert in traditional marketing, internet marketing, and building a product empire. Or Connie Podesta, a legend in the speaking world. She says, Ford, you are a master at motivating, coaching, challenging, and it goes on and on. But what about people just getting started? Frances Arnold, one of our great success stories. She said, Ford and Darren turn a seemingly impossible subject, getting paid to speak, into a total achievable task. Join us for this free training, and in 59 minutes, you're going to walk away with 3 rock-solid secrets. Guess what? They're not what you expect, but they will change the way you approach getting paid to speak, and you'll also see how maybe it is possible. Join us for Get Paid to Speak free training. Just go to getpaidtospeaktraining.com, and I'll see you on the other side.